Meet the Dango Design Navigator Helmet LED Trail Light. This helmet light features a lightweight aluminum housing with an ultra-low profile. It includes powerful 2100 lumen-rated Cree LED technology and provides 3 adjustable brightness settings for customized illumination. A powerful light needs a power source to match. Our long-lasting external battery keeps you riding longer. It provides up to 12 hours of use in low mode and up to 3 hours in high mode. And with a real-time digital readout, you'll always know exactly how much charge you have left out on the trail. This battery pack doubles as a power bank because staying connected out on the trail can be just as crucial as staying lit. Charging is simple with the USB-C port, and the canvas battery pack can be easily strapped to your gear. It's easy to charge, built to last, and designed for the ride. With the included universal mounting options, this light is compatible with any helmet and any riding style. You can control the beam direction with 360-degree rotation. Routing your wires are neat and out of the way with the secured mounting clips that come in this kit. For quick attachment and detachment, you can pair this light with a Dango Gripper Mount for added convenience. The Navigator Helmet LED Trail Light comes with everything that you need out of the box. A high-powered LED light, a long-lasting battery, a wall charger with USB-C cable, universal mounts, a durable canvas case, and a premium travel case. Don't let darkness dictate your ride. Ride longer, ride farther, ride without limits. The ultimate helmet-mounted LED light. Are you ready?